Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily split your clips on CapCut PC. So, for instance, this video, I just want to split it into multiple clips. You can either select the video and select these. You can split and delete right, or you can even split delete left. Or you can select here, switch to the split mode, and you can easily just select the clips using the split mode. And to go back, just select A. So there is like A is the normal mouse, B is the split one, C is, I don't actually know what, I don't think it's C, it's this like parentheses, but like the square one, I don't know what it's called. Select leftward and select what is it, rightward. I don't really know how to use that one, but I basically just use the split ones right here instead of this one because I like the control of it better. But that's where you can find it and how you can use it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!